Yo, YouTube. Another POV drive. We just got out of work. I'm telling, like, we just got out of... Damn, bro. You see these people cutting people off? Crazy. Yo, do y'all see that? Bro, what the... Bro, somebody, like, genuinely gotta go up. Am I the only one? Yo, I feel bad, dude. Like, is somebody gonna pull over and help him out? Bro, you can't make that up. Damn. Bro, this is why you can't take drugs, man. Bro, I just turned the camera on. Nah, he gotta be off something. Well, damn, but this pollen's crazy. Got pollen going all over my car too. Bro, it's so hot, like, even at lunchtime, dude, like, it'd be crazy. Like, cause I eat in my car. And I don't like leaving my car running, cause I've heard leaving your car idle for too long, like having a turbo vehicle idle for too long isn't good for it, so. I don't like to do it. It's like overworking your turbos for nothing. You know what I mean? But it's Friday, man. What y'all gonna do for the weekend? I gotta wash my car. I'll probably make a video for that. At my job, they be giving out like snacks. I got these for my sisters. Peeps. Y'all see that wagon? It's a 5 Series. 530 XL. Extra large. What does it say? ATO social? I mean, it's cool. Aside from the front. Oh, 300. Man, I don't know. My girl's ex had a 300C Chrysler, so I don't really like those cars. I ain't rocking with them just cause he had them. But yeah, no, man, this weekend I'm probably just gonna wash my car. I need to wash my overalls for work. Damn, bro, I love this Red Sport, bro. I can only thank God, man. It's not a Lamborghini, it's not a Ferrari, I don't know, bro. Whatever people think of like dream car to be, like, people always think of like dream car has to be like over 100,000, bro. Nah, bro, dream car can cost 10,000, 12,000, bro. It's what you like. And this is my dream car, bro. The Q50 body. It don't have to be. I like 3.7s too. If I was to redo it all over again, because I do plan on moving on from this vehicle to like something bigger, but if I was to do it all over again and get a like Q50, I'd probably get a 3.7, boost it, and just do like a 2018 plus like conversion kit, like put a 20, like the newer 2018 bumper, 2018 tail lights, you know, all that, you know, basically make it like basically like put all the newer parts on it, so it has like that newer body, but it's a 3.7 engine, and you know it's gonna be boosted, so I feel like that'd be like the best Q50, bro. If I was to do it all over again, I'd do it like that, but it wouldn't sell for much. The VR30, I mean the Red Sport, at least they sell for like a little bit more than like a regular like 3.7. It holds a little bit more value, so when it comes time to sell it, I can get more money out of it. So, because next, like when I move on from this vehicle, I'm really trying to get into an either an M340 or a Mark 5 Supra. I feel like the M340. I don't know. I wanted the Mark 5 Supra, but the M340 is kind of calling me more now. I just see it like more as a better daily. The Mark 5 Supra don't be sick, but it's a fat pothole on this road. I just remembered. We gotta recognize the roads, man. Dodger weave. Damn, it's cold now. But this pollen sucks, man. Making my car dirty. I don't got school today, luckily. Thank God. I got no school today. So I'm straight chilling. Oh man. Dude, can I fit through that? Nah, I won't go this way. I don't fit. These newer cars, man, you can't even cut up. Like, yo, set off a whole bunch of sensors, stop you, beep, the whole nine. I'm right by Stone Mountain. If y'all know where I'm right by Stone Mountain. Bro, how did that car end up behind me, bro? Is that the Beamer? Wasn't that thing like in front of me? Bro, the hatchback. It was in front of me. How did it get behind me? What the heck? What the heckness? I'm trying to sell this, bro. I got an extra one by accident. It's basically the trunk trim for the Infiniti. I don't need it. Put this in it to protect it. Put it for sale like on Facebook Marketplace. Bro, I be having, bro, I know I'm not the only one, bro. I be scrolling through Facebook Marketplace like so much at work. I'll be working, I'll finish something. It's probably a bad habit. I work, do something, take on my phone, look at Facebook Marketplace, see what they got. Go back to work. Take my phone back out, go to Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, man, but I'm just ready to finish this apprenticeship. Why is he so impatient? Bro, where are we gonna go? I still gotta upload yesterday's video, man. I got out of school, so like I'll usually like, this is my schedule. I'll go to work, go home, get ready for school, go to school, and then I try to record in between all that, and then I'll try to upload it that night of, before I go to bed. You know, wake up the next day, do the same thing. Hopefully this YouTube stuff really pops off, bro. I really hope, man. It's my dream. That is my dream. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber since I was little. But I felt like when I was younger, I wanted to be more like a gamer YouTuber. I was more into like gaming and stuff, like toys and stuff. But obviously, I want to do toys now. But I mean, there are people that record toy videos, but I don't think that's something I would do now. I'd be down to record a gaming channel though. That'll be fire. Maybe after like this channel pops off, I'll probably do a gaming channel later on. That was lit. But one step at a time. What time is it? 3:51. I'm hungry, man. I ain't lunch. I get out at 3:30. I usually wait. Yeah, I usually wait till I get home to eat. Cause I mean, to me, I could wait, honestly. I usually like get something small from my house in the morning, like a little snack, I guess. Eat that throughout the day, and then eat like a real meal like when I get home. My mom's been helping me out. She's been making food for me lately. She's the real one. She's the one. Y'all see how thick my glasses are? That's how bland I am. I usually wear contacts on the weekend. Like, I wear glasses for work just because, you know, I can get stuff in my eyes, and it's not best to have contacts on me, you know. Say it's a piece of dirt gets in my eye or oil. It contaminates the contact, and kind of just gotta take the contact out. You gotta basically just throw the contact out because it's no good no more, and I can't see at all. So it's best to just have glasses, and if I get something in my eye, I just take the glasses off and clean my eye and, you know, put the glasses back on. It's just better. Bro, when is pollen season in, man? I know someone told me, someone at work told me to like finish like May, June. Cause man, my car don't even look clean.